Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to customize Wix product page. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing we're going to do is of course create a website that is an online store. So simply click on create new site over here on the top right. And let's create our online store, and then let's create some products that we will sell in that online store, and that we will edit and show you how you will be able to customize the product page of our online store. So those are the steps that we will be doing in today's video. First, let's create our online store. Simply click on online store over here. And if you have a specific type of online store that you have, you can simply select the option that you want. Click on next so that you can proceed to the next step. And then it will automatically send us to the dashboard. That is how Wix works. If you're creating an online store, you will start from dashboard before you create or modify your website. So let's give it some time to load our dashboard over here so that we could play around and show you how we will be able to customize the different components or the website, of course, of the product page. So over here, the first thing, or rather the second thing that we're going to do next is we're going to add our products, because of course we can't really modify or create a product page without a product. So let's name our store first. Let's simply go with store demo, then click on next. Let's say I'm just starting out, click on next again. And the products that I will be selling, let's say it's a physical product, click on next. Then I would like to sell online store, click on next. And let's continue to the dashboard. Now, completing that part is very important, so don't skip it. I don't suggest that you skip that part. So over here, let's wait for it to load so that we could proceed to the next part. Now, like I said, we will be creating our product first. So look over here on the left side, you have your store products. Simply click this. And we're going to click on the product options over here. You can see we're going to add our first product that we will be able to see in our website. Now, there are several demo products already available over here, but let's add our own product over here. The physical product. There we go. Then we're going to wait for it to load for a bit. Then we're going to add a very simple product. Let me search for a photo for our product. Pixels. Now, if you want to have some royalty photos or royalty videos, you could use Pixels if you want. But anyway, over here, Pixels, simply search for, let's say, a bag or gym. Click on search. And you have your different photos over here. Let's say the product that I would be selling is like this punching bag. So let's download this. Here we go. Go back here in our products and simply upload the image that you have. I don't think we can drag it, but we can click add image. And let's add the image of our product that we would like to have. Let's drag it over here. Let's drag it again. Or let's click on upload media. It's a lot of process, but anyway, drag, there we go. Uploading. So simply wait for this to finish uploading. Then we could add it to our page. It's going to be a few seconds, so let's give it some time to finish uploading. Now, there we go. Simply click on add to page. And now we have a photo for our product. So over here, punching bag. Then product info, punching bag, description, pricing. Let's say the price is 1,000. Then after that, simply click on save to save the product that we have created. There we go. Now we have our product in our product page. So what we're going to do next is we're going to customize our website. So we're going to go home. over here, or the site and app option over here above the store product. Then you have your website over here. And now what we could do is, as you can see, we could start designing from a template. These are the different templates that you could choose from. If you want to choose one of this, you could simply go with it. For example, this one, gaming store, we can click on edit, and we will be able to be redirected to the editing page of Wix. This is where we will be able to edit the different types of, or the different parts of the website. So let's give it a few seconds or a few moments so that it can set up our video creation over here. Sometimes it takes a while, depending on the type of website that you have or the type of features that you have added on the website. It's going to take a few minutes. Sometimes I've experienced waiting a few minutes because I have added a lot of different features. So let's give it a few seconds over here, and let's just keep waiting. Now over here, as you can see, this is the editing page of Wix. Now to be able to change which page you are editing to the page of the product page, you're simply going to select over here on the top left. You have this page over here. Currently, the home is selected. So if you select that, you're simply going to see here products, as you can see here. Then you can select that. And you will be able to start viewing the product page. So let's wait for this thing to finish up. Let's exit this. But anyway, let's click on the page again. Click on products. Under products, there are different options. You can select to edit the bestsellers, games, consoles, controllers, accessories, and many more. So you can select a specific part that you would like to modify. And as you can see, this is like the product page. To be able to modify this is very simple. Simply select the parts that you want to modify. I don't think, there we go, click edit. The thing that you could modify here is the section background and the layout. Let's wait for it to respond to our options. But aside from that, there isn't much that you will be able to modify in the product page aside from the layout. As you can see, it depends on the type of website that you're selecting, but you're also able to like modify the shop page itself. Like you could manage the products, choose category, you can click on settings over here. Those are the different things that you will be able to modify. Not much so on the appearance. Let's click on settings. And there were some options that appeared over here. There we go. You will be able to like change the settings, layout, text, design, filters, sorting, all of those. Those are the different things that you will be able to modify. You are also able to modify specific parts of the product page like we saw earlier. And aside from that, there isn't much that you can do. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to modify your product page in Wix.